Hi, this is Nick from Reed. Today I'm excited to introduce the Bear Hug Squeeze Tool. It squeezes 3 to 8 inch PE pipe, weighs 175 pounds, and has a force output of approximately 83,000 pounds. Today I'm going to show some features and we'll see how it works. This is the base tool, this is the manual pump, and that is the air over hydraulic pump. The base tool includes removable handles, so you can have more room inside the ditch. Has attached saddle clamps on the top and bottom, both sides. Has color-coded stops. The stops mounted on the left and right sides are 4 to 8 inch. The storage stops in the front are for 3 to 4 inch pipe. It also includes centering arrows so you can get the pipe centered east to west. Has a large U-bolt for lifting. It's very large in size so you can fit quite a bit in there, strap, chain, whatever. This is the double bar design on the top and bottom. And it does have the shaft locking spring latch right here. It catches the shaft, you don't have to lift the bar like on the current model. The tool and the pumps are both double acting, so that means hydraulic extension and retraction. You pump to extend, you pump to retract. You don't have to rely on internal spring that wears over time and doesn't work very well. Now we will do a quick demo of the air over hydraulic pump connected up to the base tool. For this demo, we will squeeze 8 inch DR11. Eight-inch DR11, the color is blue, match it on the other side. Now we will mount the tool onto the pipe. So there you have it. We are currently squeezing DR11 at 83,400 pounds. If you have any more questions about the new Bear Hug Squeeze tool, please contact your Reed distributor.